Okay, I'm going to try a little something here. I have a remote control car with a broken wheel. So I've already replaced this car for my daughter. But there's a servo in here and a small motor. So I'd like to take them off. I might actually also take off the receiver. I don't know. We'll see. Let's open it up. So to do this, I'm going to try and do it with the fewest tools possible. But I don't know if you have one of these. If you don't, I recommend it. It is I got mine from iFixit, but a small magnetic pad that lets you drop screws and they don't fly away. That's one thing. And very bright light right there, but that's okay. The second thing is a small holder box. And then your standard fix-it thing of screws and screwdriver bits and whatnot. Again, I got mine from iFixit. But let's tear this this poor broken car apart, because I want to take out the servo and the small, I think there's a little tiny DC motor in there. I like taking this stuff. I like salvaging if I can. So yeah, well, why not do that while we can, right? Sort of a shame it's not in focus. Hold on. Whatever. This is a test of the emergency dismantling system. So I just need I'm going to start dismantling this thing. Again, look. Magnet thing. How handy is that? Oh, I've already taken the batteries out, so that's a good thing. There is 1, 2, 3 screws. Oh, is that a fourth? No. Nope. No, it's just a hole. It maybe had something, but it doesn't anymore. So let's see if we can get all these screws out pretty quickly. Maybe I should just zoom the video. Yep. So I don't know anything about remote control cars beyond and make it happen, but I would think this is probably for antenna purposes, to make it be a better receiver, since I'm not making use of this. It doesn't matter. Garbage. So there's a motor and there's another motor. So I don't know why I thought it'd be a servo, but I guess it's just a motor, but that's okay. I could always use more motors. So I'm just going to quickly get these screws out. I'm not keeping the control board, so I'm just going to go ahead and snip wires because I don't need them. Whoop. Whoa. And there's one motor. Two motors. The drive motor is interesting in that it was also connected to the headlights. So the LEDs being used for the headlights were also connected to the motor. So when it got power, they turned on, which is kind of funny. Standard LEDs. Let's take a look at the control board here real quick. Sorry. I honestly can't tell from my monitor if this is in focus or not. I want to think it is, but you can see this has left, right, so that's the left, right control, rear, forward. These would be control. Anyways, there's the antenna. So yeah, that connector to the roof of the car was the antenna. Interesting. Okay, well, that was the whole point of it, was just to get these two little DC motors. So I'm glad I did that, because you never know when you can use a motor. And that's it. Thanks so much.